Yelena and I are up on top of a hill in Endwell, New York. Beautiful location, newer home. Yelena, where are we?
We are on 2745 Grandview Place, Cul-de-sac.
Beautiful contemporary home. I just love it up here. It's so quiet. That's the nice thing about a cul-de-sac. If you have any kids that are going to learn how to ride a bike or something, not a lot of traffic here. This is a large contemporary home right off of Taft. We have a 3-car garage, a nice feng shui to the design of that garage, and this front walkway up to this entrance. Let's go in and take a look at this house.
And look at this big, bright, open space. Look at those beautiful windows.
Palladium windows. These ceilings, I guess they're probably about 14 to 16 feet high. The open banister that overlooks from the second floor down to here, that is really nice.
And I like the dining room over there with a beautiful view.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the view is gorgeous. And this kitchen makes me very happy. Look at the space, the views, and...
Yeah, great island with a vent, a cooking island with the quartz counters. The quartz counters all around this kitchen. These are cherry cabinets with beautiful moldings up on top.
And check out big Sub-Zero refrigerator.
Yeah, all stainless steel appliances. Check out this eating area. It's a matching quartz table that's permanent. It's got a Lazy Susan on it. And there is a bay window here. Great views. And it's all open to your main family room on the first floor with a gas fireplace.
Down the hall from the family room, we have access to the garage, and there is also a half bath. And everybody loves the first floor laundry. And here we go, second floor.
Yeah, these banisters are very solid. Now there's 4 bedrooms on this floor. And this master suite, good sized room, nice wood trim, great views.
Lots of light, and it has the suite bathroom with a walk-in closet and also walk-in shower and a jet tub. And off of this balcony, we have another 3 bedrooms with a full bath.
And each bedroom in the closets have nice built-ins. I mean, that is very handy to have, especially when you have kids and you don't want to fill the room up with big furniture. The built-in cabinetry is very nice. Nice wide stairway coming down to the lower level, plenty of windows. It's all finished. There's a lot of square footage down here. It can be used for just about anything you can think of. So 2745 Grandview Place. It's a nice quiet street, a beautiful newer contemporary home.
Cul-de-sac with the beautiful views. We have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, about 3,700 square feet.
In a beautiful kitchen, the cherry cabinetry and matching quartz counters. The quartz little breakfast table is really cool. And the stainless steel appliances, it's quality. Now, Yelena, how can someone see this home?
They can call us at 607-725-2122.
Thank you.